What is an initiation? Initiation is a person who has received a very ancient and profound practice. And they have taken the practice from their teachers in its entirety and have meditated, have practiced, and have done the proper rituals. And so when they have this initiation, they hold it within their mind stream and they can pass it to other people. Pass it to other people who request, or if the Lama feels they're qualified. And for example, the initiations are taken from your teacher, from their teacher, and you can go back over 1,000 years unbroken. If the initiations are broken, then the initiations cannot be passed to anyone anymore. I'm not like many other lamas who do big public initiations. I used to do that 25, 26 years back, but I don't do that anymore. So that time hundreds and hundreds of people will come. I don't do that anymore because I realized basic Dharma is more important for people than higher teachings. If we can accomplish the basic Dharma, then we do the higher set of teachings, it will be much more beneficial. So then why do the initiation? Because the initiation sometimes is for specific ailments, or for some people, or perhaps some people will be passing away soon. So the Lama might sense that and give the initiation, so benefit a group of people. Or someone might be very ill, and if they do this practice, it will be very beneficial. So that doesn't mean young people live longer than older people, but if we look at the scheme of things, usually older people go to the next life first. There's a special practice called Chenrezig Kundro. And Chenrezig Kundro has two assistants. One is green tar, one is black egg. Green tar is to help people achieve their inner wishes, their outer wishes. Black egg especially for removing obstacles, inner and outer. And Chenrezig Kundro is especially to help us not to take rebirth in the three lower realms. So this form of Chenrezig, or in other words in Chinese, Kuan Yin, has one face, two arms, is very gentle and sitting in a relaxed posture. I received this initiation from His Holiness Rinpoche many years ago. And I've kept up the practice for many, many years. And it is a practice that's good for everyone. But it is especially good for people who are very ill, or people who are closer to their next life. Because once you receive this initiation, if you hold the Bodhisattva vows, and then you do Om Mani Padme Hum, one mala per day for the rest of your life without break, it is said that you will not take rebirth in the three lower realms for one life. Why is that? You will take a rebirth in your next life in a place that has Dharma to help you to purify the karma or negative things that you have done that might have taken you to a three lower realm. So Nye Sun is something that holds you from the three lower realms. Nye Sun. Kundro is to save you, to assist you, to help you. So it's a very, very powerful practice, but it's simple. The Lama needs to receive the initiation and to do the retreat and to do the fire puja and to have permission from his Lama to give this initiation. So I've received a full initiation from His Holiness Rinpoche when I was about 30 plus years ago when I was in my 18. When I was around 18, and I've been doing the commitments every single day. This one's not really for children. This is for more older people. All right? So what's very, very important is this. Is the next time I would like to give that initiation here. But only to 25 people. That will not include some of the pastors that I want to come here because I wish to pass the lineage, and then they can pass this to other people in the future. So I will allow 25 people here. I would prefer if the people are 50 years and over. All right, I repeat, 50 years and over. So I'd like to pass that initiation over, and though the people who's receiving it must commit to doing Om Mani Padme Hum one round cannot do online home 1 round per day for the rest of your life. You better not attend. This initiation will be for people who are older, 50 years and older. So I don't need a big crowd. I'm more into sincere Dharma. So those who receive it, you do that commitment every single day. You do that practice every single day. The initiation will take 2.5 to 3 hours if I don't explain. I have to do some preparations here. Alright? So next time I come here, I will confer that initiation for the people here in order to bless the energy and bless the place. So this initiation I like to give is to take care of older people. If they have any sicknesses, if they do this practice, it will help them. If they have any obstacles, it will help them. And at the same time, if they were to take a new life, it will definitely help them. That's if they keep their end of heart. What does the Lama require from you for giving this initiation? Confidence in the practice. To be a good person. To be very loyal to your Lama. Then those will be the ingredients for the practice to be very, very effective. Okay? Remember, during the initiation, you must be alert, already have gone to the bathroom, not walk around, move around constantly, and to focus. Then I will plant the seeds of body, speech, and mind blessings into your body. And then when you do the mantra, it will be activated. It will be very strong. Does everybody understand? That's very, very important. And at that time, we'll have a lot of older people. I would like that we have more chairs so that older people don't have to sit on the floor. It's not comfortable for them. Showing respect to the Lama doesn't mean you sit on the floor. You can sit on the chair also. The respect is inside. Okay? So, when the older people come, I like to have chairs and I like them to sit comfortably and focus or prepare. And then once you get the initiation, do the practice very well, very sincerely. It is the Chenrezig Nyesen Kundrum, which means the Kuan Yin that saves you from the 3 lower realms. That is the name literally. I repeat, the Kuan Yin that saves you from the 3 lower realms.